warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Sania Dara Nadira. Just you can call me Sania. Here I want be your tour guide to accompany you along the way. Of course, here I'm not alone. I will be accompanied by our driver is Mr. Joe and CEO driver is Mr. Supriyadi. Okay friends, this time I will explain about the Ngrebek tradition found in Penglipuran village. Bali tourism is one of the tourist destinations that foreign and domestic tourists have no doubt about it. Bali tourism has become a world-famous tourist destination in foreign countries. This is evidence from a fact that the visit of foreign tourists and domestic tourists to Bali from year to year are increasing. However, it is not only tourists visit the holiday because the development of tourist visit to Bali to increase, but the frequent holding of international event or event in Bali is also one of the development factor from the increase in visit. The development of Bali tourism is growing with the support of all potential aspects that are optimized. The culture and unique of Bali custom as well as its beautiful nature with various beauties in each of the potential which are managed with various packages have made Bali tourism more development so that Bali as a contribute to the country foreign exchange spread due to its successful tourism. Many destinations are quite well known, but in local and foreign tourism such as Kuta Beach. However, the traditional Bali village is equally attractive for local and foreign tourism, namely the Penglipuran traditional village. This village not only display beauty but learning and traditional culture there are still very strong today. Penglipuran Traditional Village located in Kubu Village, Bangli District, Bali Province. Maybe many of you don't know which part of the Bangli District in Bali. If you have ever been to Kintamani or Batur, this is the Bangli District. The distance from Kuta to Penglipuran Bangli Village approximately 53 kilometers with an estimated travel 1 hour 30 minutes with smooth traffic because the Bangli Regency area and tourist attraction in East Bali, one of which is the village of Tenganan, which is still strong in authentic Balinese nuance and has not received much modern influence. Did you know the Penglipuran Bangli traditional village was used as the first example as a tourist village in Indonesia by the local government in 1995. Penglipuran Bali Village is located at an altitude of about 700 traditional culture until it is finally called a traditional village. This village is still undergoing several traditions, one of which is the Ngrebek tradition which is still being carried out today. Penglipuran village holds its own customer event called Ngrebek or Ngelawang. What is the Ngrebek tradition? In general, this Ngrebek has the meaning of providing safety to every citizen by purifying the village from negative things and asking good to avoid plague and misfortune. Besides that, the aim is also to please manners. In Panglipuran village, this ngerebek tradition is carried out 3 times a year. First is Galungan, then Kuningan, and Budak Kliwon Pahang. How about the tradition procession? The first is this ngerebek tradition is always preceded by prayers. Then it was followed by a barong procession to the residence house. The road is from the temple to the nearest house, which is to the north. Then continue to the end of the village and finish at the hero monument. The barong is an object that is considered sacred by Panglipuran village. Before ngelawang, it begins with a ceremony or ritual. Before being stored at Penataran Temple, the barong was kept at the hero monument in the south. Okay, friends. Okay, everyone. This is enough information for me. I can convey more or less. Please forgive me. If anyone want to ask, please don't be shy. Thank you.